Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi's Cycle Service. So today, well, before I get into that, let's talk about Big Bertha here for a minute. Big Bertha is a 2014 Ultra Limited. Big Bertha has about 72,000 miles on her. Big Bertha is also pretty much completely stock. I think the only thing I've done is I've put some fishtails on it, I've put some ape hangers on it, and I made the tour pack into a quick detach. That's really about all I've ever put into Big Bertha. She still has the stock air cleaner, and it has the stock head pipes with the stock catalytic converter in it. I've never bothered to switch that out. So today we're gonna change all that. Today we're gonna take those head pipes off. I have a set of head pipes that has no catalytic, is a stock set of head pipes, but has had the catalytic converter removed. I don't have the air cleaner to go to a stage 1 on the air cleaner yet, but in order to prepare for that, we have bought the Dyno Jet Power Vision. Thank you, Uncle Stam, and the stimulus check. I have now, or Papa Don, rather, I should say, I have now stimulated some of the economy by buying a Dyno Jet Power Vision. So why did I buy this one? I didn't really want the Vance & Hines because I thought that one was somewhat limited. I really wanted the I think it's called the Thunder Max. That thing's like close to $800. This is about $450. Got it off of Amazon. I think it has all the bells and whistles that I want. Now, saying that, you have two options. You can plug it in, download the map, unplug it, put it away. Or you can plug it in, run the wire under your gas tank, mount it on your handlebars. I don't think it is waterproof though, so you gotta be cautious of that if you leave it hard mounted to your bike. But I thought, you know what, on a long trip, it might be kind of nice because I think it has features such as diagnosing trouble codes. You know, it has a screen where you can put all different things. You know, you check your RPM, although I have a gauge for that on Bertha. Your temperature, what gear selector you're in, the time it is. There's like 50 different things I think you can choose. I may run the wire under the tank. I'm not going to do that today. I'll probably do that sometime in the next couple months when I have an empty tank of gas. Right now it's full and I don't feel like pulling a full tank of gas off to run the wire under there. But at some point in time, I'll probably run the wire under there, under my handlebars. That way if I go on a long trip, I have the option, then I can hook this back up. And you know, maybe I want it hooked up there so I can use the auto tune feature. But long story short, I haven't really done much performance mods on Bertha there. And I'm thinking at some point in time this year, I'm going to change out the air cleaner, and maybe sometime next year, I might put some cams in it. So in order to prepare for that, I figured we'd get the Dyno Jet Power Vision. This is the PV2B. We got this. We're gonna put this on today. I'm not going to show you really how to install this because there are probably at least 75 videos of people showing you how to install the Power Vision. So I figured I'd just take you along for a ride as I take off my head pipe, put the new head pipe on, plug this in, and really I'm going to concentrate this video more on the ride and going for rides. I hope it helps you, and really what I want to do is more share some thoughts on it, maybe ask you some questions. Do you have this? Do you like it? What are some features that I should look for? What are some things that I can play with and enjoy? And do you keep it hooked up to your bike full time, or did you plug it in, download the map, unplug it, go away? If you have it, how do you use it? From everything I've seen here, it seems like it puts a good bit of pep into the bike that's not there with the stock tune. So thank you for stopping by. If you are new to Yogi's Cycle Service, I am Yogi. I hope this video sparks some interest and you enjoy it. If you do, check out my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like those too, hey, hit that subscribe button so you know when new videos are coming out, and show some brothers some love. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by and watching this video also. So let's get in. Let's get these pipes off and let's get started. Alright, y'all. So I have to admit, the past couple days I've been testing out Bertha. Because it's been nighttime, it's been dark. The time I go after work, there's not a whole lot of time of daylight to do it. So I didn't get to record the test video of what my impressions are, but that's okay. That got me to be able to feel it out and enjoy it and see what my thoughts are. And honestly, the head pipe gives a little bit more throat, gives a little bit more growl, but check this out. You like hit your power band so much quicker, it seems. I mean, there's more throttle. The throttle response is faster. It pushes me back into the seat more than it used to. Definitely the Dyno Power Vision definitely made a difference. I will absolutely say that with certainty. I'm pretty impressed with the little thing. Even with a plug it in, download the map and unplug it type thing, yeah, man, I'm pretty darn happy. The bike sounds better, it's more responsive, you know, it's breathing easier. Overall, Bertha seems a whole lot happier. And I am pretty darn stoked. Now, it's not warmed up yet, so it's not, I mean, I just left the house. It's probably about 30 degrees. Garage temp says 38, so I'm sure it's a little cooler than that. Maybe we'll see it around this corner here. Belt's squeaky because it's cold. Heck yeah. It's only 35 through here. Better slow it down some. So Power Vision, I definitely would recommend it. You know, comparing this to the Power Commander that's on the Fat Boy, this one is just so much easier to work with, in my opinion, and yeah, lets you do the auto tune, which I'm going to do soon. So I'm thinking I may move it to like move this phone stuff and get rid. You know, I might move my camera up here and maybe put the Power Vision over here or something. I don't know. Because I would kind of like to have it for long trips. It's kind of my thought, but I'm not going to use it on the daily. You know, I'd rather have my phone there. Already cluttered up enough here. I don't need to add something else. So it might just be on my bike part-time for, you know, my long trips. So we'll see. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. I'm kind of curious as to what your comments will be below, but I am definitely very happy with this. For riding a couple days, and it really smells like weed. Somebody was smoking weed ahead of me here. Whew. Wow, whatever car is in front of us at this light, I bet you $1 they were smoking a bone. Anyways, that wraps up this video. Thank you for joining me, Yogi Clan. I definitely really like it. And I'm going to be recording a couple more videos today, so check out some of my other videos coming up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate your help. Peace.